Take a second and think back to all the times that you decided to buy something and the person that you're working with kept talking and they literally talked themselves out of a sale. Ugh, nothing is more heartbreaking than that. Here's how you can avoid ever having that happen to you when you're in sales. Simply ask the other side, hey, just out of curiosity, have you made a decision? You're going to be surprised when you ask people, hey, have you made a decision? How often they come back to you and go, yeah, we want it. Let's rock and roll. Let's do this. Now, the one thing I don't want you to do is add the word yet to the end of that sentence. When you say, have you made a decision yet? It takes a very simple question and makes it pushy. It makes it slimy. It makes it high pressure. There's a big difference between, hey, just out of curiosity, have you made a decision? And have you made a decision yet? My name's Matt Easton. Consider giving me a follow for more tips on how to be successful in business and life.